विद्या ददात विनय विनयाद यात पात्रता पात्रत्वा धर्मा करोति धनाधन तत्सुखम. Vedic Namaste to all. I am Vedant Thakur, head boy of Devi Public School, NTPC Township, Jamshedpur. My team and I are going to assist you through the journey of this month in this special segment called Samachar Prabha. Let's hear it from our presenters.
Good morning everyone. I am Shivash Goyal and I am Sajida Sharma. Welcome to this brand new edition of our school outreach program, a news bulletin. Welcome to Samachar Prabha. Let's take a look at the events of this month. The new session began on a meaningful and spiritual note with the Vidyanam Sanskar. Our youngest learners took their first steps into the world of education with blessings and prayers. The students were blessed by none other than Vice Chairman Shri Umesh Kumar Ji. The event became more important in the presence of the project's first lady, Srimati Rekha Thakur Ji, and DCCSF Shri Rajkumar Thakur Ji, Mrs. Prachi Chhabra Ji. Safety first, our school hosted a fire safety drill in collaboration with the CISF unit and TBC Colony. Let us hear more about it from Avika.
Hello everyone, I'm Avika Walker from class 3rd and today I'm here to tell you about fire safety program. It was organized in school with the help of NTPC and fire department of CSF. My friend and I learned a lot about types of fire and how to put them out. I also learned how to use fire safety devices. Do you know what? We can even use sand to put out the fire. How cool is that? There was a drawing competition also in that. Children expressed their idea in most creative warmth. That was all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Avika, and a big thank you to the CSF team for making the session so informative and hands-on. Next in the bulletin, we have a Havan ceremony honoring the birth anniversary of Mahatma Shri Hansraj Ji. The air was filled with Vedic chants and a spirit of devotion. It reminded us the values of discipline, dedication, and the selfless service that Mahatma himself lived by. Let us all dive a little deeper into this.
On 19th of April, our school celebrated Mahatma Shri Hansraj Jayanti with devotion. The day began with a Vedic Havana, where the entire school offered prayers. A short story-based presentation on Mahatma Hansraj's life followed the Havana, highlighting his dedication to education, truth and service. The program inspired everyone to follow his ideals of truth and honesty. Our school also became a part of much grand celebration of the life works of our humble founder in the Samarpan Divas later in the month. The event was overseen successfully by our Assistant Regional Officer, Shri K.S. Buleria Ji, who also received the prestigious Samsraj Award for his remarkable contribution to the DAV movement.
On World Earth Day, students came forward to speak passionately during the declamation competition. They spoke with energy and confidence about climate change, renewable energy, and a duty to save the environment. It was inspiring. Learning never stops, whether it is inside or outside the classroom. Let's hear more about it from Sanvisha.
Hello everyone, I am Sanvisha from class 10 and I am happy to share some exciting news from our school. We had a wonderful internal declamation competition on World Earth Day. The theme was Our Power, Our Planet. Many students spoke with great confidence about how we can protect our Earth. It was a big success. We also remembered some other special days. On Himachal Day, we remembered the beauty and culture of our state. And on International Dance Day, students gave a lovely dance performance that made everyone smile. All these events happened when our classroom stayed active and full of learning. Along with celebrations, we also enjoyed some other fun academic activities too. Our month was full of joy, both inside the classroom, outside. Thank you.
Thank you, Simrita. Both the teachers and students worked hand in hand to keep the energy alive in every subject, from science to Sanskrit. And now, let's talk about the highlight of the month, our much-awaited Invest Teacher Ceremony. It was a proud moment for the entire school as newly elected student leader officially took charge. They smartly in their badges and sashes. They marched forward with confidence and purpose. More about it in this report.
From the vast depth of Vedic culture to the pride of democratic Bharata, we followed this path with ease and enthusiasm by conducting school-wide election for the new student council under the able guidance of our principal, Mrs. Deepika Sharma ji. The elections were followed by the investiture ceremony, where the head of NTPC Koldam, Shri Subhash Thakur ji, adorned the student leaders with responsibility and honor in the presence of Vice Chairman DAV NTPC Koldam, Shri Umesh Kumar ji. This remained the highlight among all the other proceedings of the month. Thank you.
Finally, we celebrated Mother's Day for the never-ending contributions. Let's glimpse at some moments from the Mother's Day celebration. And that wraps our bulletin for this month. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back next month with more exciting updates. Until then, stay kind, stay curious, and keep learning. Jai Hind!